IBM Auto Ai Service. Myself, Dr. D. Raja, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Sivandi Adityanar College of Engineering, Trichandur. So this is a hands-on demo on IBM Auto Ai Service. This is an excellent tool for performing machine learning model in an efficient way. So step number 1, you can open a browser and then type IBM cloud.ibm.com, then which will ask for user ID as well as password. You can provide your user ID and then you can enter your password. After that, which shows the entire excellent dashboard of IBM Cloud. This is for IBM Cloud dashboard. Then you can choose catalog and then type for object storage. Choose catalog for type for object storage. Then in that you can choose IBM Cloud. So choose IBM Cloud and then click on that button create. Then click create, then which will create the object storage. Then click on resource list. So which will display the entire object storage, which is for default cloud storage. So this is inactive. After for step number 8, you can choose on Watson Studio. Initial step number 1 for cloud storage creation. Now you can choose Watson Studio. Then you can choose Dallas. Dallas is a nearby area, so you can choose Dallas and then choose light as well as free tier. Then click on that button create. Then which will open a Watson Studio Cloud Park for data. So you can click on launch. So now you will choose a machine learning model. So again, first one for object storage, second one for Watson Studio, third one for machine learning. So click on catalog and type machine learning. So now choose Dallas. So Dallas and choose a light plan 2 and then click create. Now machine learning model is ready. So launch Cloud Park data. Now you can click on resource list. Cloud object storage is ready, Watson Studio is ready, and machine learning is ready. So there are 3 models which needed for this developing an Auto AI project. So one is for cloud storage, second one for Watson Studio, third one for machine learning. Now the 3 things are ready. Now you can choose IBM Watson Studio and then click on launch Park Studio. Then you can provide your institute information. Go to IBM Watson Studio. Then click cancel to create a new project. So choose on create empty project. So you can name the project as insurance project and then click create. Then enter the project title and then click create. Then you can choose the menu asset and choose new asset. Then in that asset you can choose Auto AI. This is an automatic builder. So choose an asset, automatic builder. Under that you can choose Auto AI project. So provide the project name and then choose the machine learning associate machine learning model and choose the already built machine learning model and then click associate. Now your machine learning model which associated with your project. Now press next for associated. Now click create. Now it will ask for your data set. So you can already download a data set from this link. So you can provide the data set and upload here. Click and track here. Then which will provide all those column link. What do you want to predict? So you can choose the insurance charges. So charges you want to predict. So that's a regression method. So this is for optimized. You can change. You can click on experiment settings and choose different algorithm, different metrics, etc., etc. Then now it's not required, so I can click on run experiment. So it will be running. So which will build a model, and then top algorithms was selected automatically. So just as 2 steps which automatically selected top algorithms and metrics. So which provide the extra tree regressor which provide the best result with a root mean square value. So now you can save that model and view in project. Then you can promote it to deploy it into deployment space. So create a deployment space and then create. So the entire project which deployed into deployment space promote to deployment phase, add to deployment phase. Yes, in online, and choose name and deploy. So now entire project which is deployed, which provide a endpoint key. So you can copy paste the endpoint key which is needed for Node-RED, and then this is for sample data set. So you can provide the data for test which can provide the accuracy result too. So if you are providing all those data, then which can provide the insurance charges for based on the input test data. So it can predicted and JSON value too. So this is a endpoint link which provided by this web service. You can copy paste the same and go to catalog, and at last you can choose Node-RED app and then click create and choose again same Dallas and then Node-RED. Then deploy the app in Kubernetes and then deploy. Then if needed for Cloud Foundry organization, you can choose your organization name and then deploy. Now it can deploy to Node-RED. Node-RED is ready. You can choose go to your Node-RED flow editor. Loading, and you can test for sample flow. Now you can install the dashboard plugin. It automatically build a dashboard for your entire project. If you are providing all those data and then submit, which can predict the charges. So this is what entire project with the help of a simple click and track, it automatically predict the excellent machine learning algorithm and the best model too. This is for insurance predictor model. So this is for detailed API. So it's for IBM Auto AI, Node-RED, as well as machine learning model, Watson Studio. This is what basic demo. So thanks for watching. Thank you.